This is your Autodesk Inventor tutorial number 3. So let's open up Inventor and make sure you're patient while it loads. Don't click a whole bunch of stuff while it's opening. You'll just confuse your computer. When you get the welcome pop-up window, close it. And let's open our previous sketch. So let's open from our user drive. Find your sample part 1. Now notice how we have sample part 1 and sample part 1 extruded. Let's just open the sketch, sample part 1. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to get a preview. I want to open the sketch. The extruded part was what we did in video 2. We made those 3D shapes and we turned them green and pink or magenta. We're going to open the sketch. So when the sketch loads, now notice our ribbon. We are in our 3D modeling tools. We're not in our sketch toolbar. We don't have a sketch toolbar because we're not in our sketch yet. Over here in the browser, we need to double click on sketch 1. Now we're in our sketch. So what I want to do now is I want to kind of modify my drawing a little bit. I have my 8x10 rectangle, my lightning bolt, my half a circle, circle, rounded edges, rectangle, and my Superman shield. I'm really just going to focus on this half a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch, and we're going to learn how to revolve a shape. We're going to use another 3D tool. So in my view cube, to help me see my sketch a little better, I'm going to click on the front face, click on that face that says front, and now I'm going to zoom in so that I can see that half a circle a little bit better. And I'm going to use my revolve tool. What my revolve tool is going to do is it's going to create a solid figure by rotating my sketch. So I'm going to click on my revolve tool and I'm going to revolve around an axis. What that means is I want to take my half a circle and I want to revolve it around this axis right here. So I want to revolve my half a circle around the axis. So I clicked on the axis, that diameter, that center line of the circle, and now I'm going to click on the circle and look what happens. It automatically revolves. Now if I want to revolve my lightning bolt, I would have to do that separately. So the more you click with the revolve tool, the kind of more confused your computer gets. So it's giving me an error right now because I clicked on too much stuff. So we're going to hit cancel. And I'm going to do that again. We're going to click on revolve, axis. We're going to use the diameter of that half a circle. And then we're going to revolve the half a circle to make a sphere. Now let's kind of zoom out a little bit. Well, that zoomed us in. Let's zoom out so that we can see our half a circle. I'm going to use my hand to slide it over. Right click, okay. And now let's pull the view cube around so we can see, yeah, that really is half a circle because when I revolve it around, I can't tell the difference. So now that we have a sphere, we could mess with the color. Let's mess with the color of that sphere just to practice color one more time. Oh, let's make the sphere, what do you say we make it a shiny gold color? Ooh, polished titanium, let's do that. So if we do polished titanium on the sphere, right click. Okay, let's get our color wheel back. Polished titanium. Add appearance to document. So now we can assign to selection. So there we have a polished titanium sphere. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I like how AutoCAD shows you the light reflecting off of it and everything, so you get to really kind of see your 3D model a little bit better with some of these colors and textures when you add them. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's save our work. Remember how to save your work? Go to the I, save as. Make sure you're in your user drive. Let's save this as sample part 1 revolved. Now let's make sure you're printing your work. Go to the I, print. Make sure you're printing to 4250. And okay. Excellent. Good work, ladies and gentlemen. That was your tutorial number 3.